Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vanilla milkshake at home without ice cream. First, gather your simple ingredients: milk, vanilla extract, sugar, and plenty of ice cubes. For the best creamy texture, I recommend using whole milk. You'll also need a good blender to get that perfect smooth consistency. It's surprisingly easy and quick. Now let's get blending. Pour your desired amount of milk into the blender. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, adjusting to your sweetness preference. Next, add about 1 to 1.5 cups of ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and wonderfully frothy. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Want to make it uniquely yours? Feel free to adjust the amount of sugar and vanilla extract to perfectly match your taste buds. A tiny pinch of salt can actually enhance the vanilla flavor, so give that a try. If you prefer a thicker shake, simply use a little less milk or add a few more ice cubes. Experiment to find your ideal consistency and sweetness. Once blended to perfection, pour your homemade vanilla milkshake into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, some colorful sprinkles, or even a cherry on top. Serve it immediately to enjoy its frosty, creamy goodness. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching and enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.